Alright guys, in this episode I'm going to show you how to make floating platforms that fall from the sky after the player stands on them for a certain amount of time. It's going to be fun, it's going to be easy, and it's only going to take a few minutes. So yeah, stay tuned guys. Alright guys, in this episode I'm going to show you how to make platforms that fall from the sky when you step on them. It's fun. So first thing we're going to do is let's open our content browser. Let's go to Blueprints and let's go to Blueprint class and let's create a new actor, and we'll just name this BP underscore platforms. All right, and then we can open this up and go over here to our components panel over here, and we're going to want to add a static mesh, and we'll just name that platform. Okay, and then let's find us something that we can use. Let's see here. We have a couple different things. Let's see. Do we have just like a regular, use this little cylinder? Okay, and yeah, we'll use that cylinder. Let's compile and let's make it a little bit smaller. Let's change its scale. Yeah, let's take our Z down to like, yeah, let's make Z like 0.1. All right, and we can add a material to it to make it look a little better. What do we have? We have this blue here. Yeah, that'll work. Okay. All right, so now on this, with platform selected, we want to add for it, let's add a let's just add a box collision to it. All right, and let's just shape this box to be just slightly smaller. Okay, it doesn't have to be perfect, but just the fact that when the player overlaps this box, because that's how we're going to do it, that it's going to go ahead and trigger for it needs to fall out of the sky. Okay, and honestly that'll work. It doesn't have to be perfect, but we just want it to where, you know, it pretty much covers the majority of it here. So we can make that a little bit smaller on that end there. Maybe a little bit bigger, a little bit bigger. And if we took snapping off, that would help. There we go. Okay. So as you can see, it's pretty close. Okay. We could make it look a little bit better, but that works. All right. So now what we want to do is this object right here is movable, which is very important. Make sure it's not static, because if it's static, it will not move. All right. So we want it to be movable. All right, so the first thing though, if we check, first compile, but if we go down here on this actual object right here, and we search for simulate physics, you'll see that it is off. Okay, so meaning that we can take this right now and we can put it in the world, and we'll go ahead and do this for fun. We'll set this a little bit smaller than I thought it was going to be, but we'll set this to here. And then we'll duplicate it and maybe put one maybe here, and then duplicate it and maybe put it one up here, and same thing, like duplicate it, put it over here and go up a little bit, and do the same thing over here and go up a little bit. All right, so right now if we were to press play, you can see they're all up in the air, and we can go and we can jump here and we can land on them, and then we can just stay here. Okay, and they could be spaced out further actually, but you get what we're trying to do here. Okay, and we, you know what, yeah, we're going to make it a little bit harder and make it more fun. So yeah, let's space them out just a little bit further to make it a little bit harder. All right. And we'll just make this one like out there. Okay, let's see how that looks. Yeah, that looks a little bit tougher. Okay, so now, as you can see, when we jumped on top of the platform, it didn't do anything, it just stayed there. All right, so now we're going to implement this logic for it to fall from the sky. All right, so if we click on our box, which is what's important, that's our collision, and we scroll down here, and we go to this on component begin overlap and press the plus here, we're going to want to make sure it's only us that goes over it, which is going to be our third person character. So at that point we're going to cast, and yes, I know you can do this with an interface, but we don't have an interface on here, so I'm just showing this from a beginner's perspective, an easy way to get this working. Okay. All right, so for everybody who's telling me you don't have to cast, you don't have to cast, I know you don't have to cast, okay, but this is the easiest way to get it working for somebody who's brand new, who don't understand interfaces yet. They'll get there. I'll make videos to update down the road. Right now I'm just making videos for beginners, okay? But so with that being said, go from other actor on this overlap here, and what we're going to do, make sure it's our character, is we're going to get our platform right here. And once we overlap, we're going to run a delay for well, let me do it from there. We'll run a delay for 3 seconds. All right. And then we're going to get our platform and that simulate physics we talked about. We're going to get it, and we're going to set that simulate physics to true. All right, so if we come over here, and we come up here and we jump, and we're 1, 2, 3, and it falls. 1, then we jump, and if you stay there too long, it's gonna fall. So you can see we stay here 3 seconds and then we fall. And that's pretty much it, guys. That's how you can make floating platforms in the game. It's pretty fun, huh? And it's pretty easy. You can make a whole game just out of doing this. And like I said, that maybe 3 seconds is a little bit too much. We need to make this a little bit harder. Let's do it for like 0.5 seconds. So like you got to jump and you got to run. You got to be quick with it. So let's see here. All right, so we're over here and let's see if we can get to the top. We're up here. We're up here. We're up here. Oh, no, I didn't make it. I didn't make it. But yeah, okay, 0.5 is a little bit much. 1 second would probably be good, but, and you could also make the platforms a little bit bigger. But yeah, that's how you make floating platforms, guys, in the game. In a game to, and make them fall from the sky when the player gets on them. But yeah, guys, like and subscribe, hit that notification bell, and we'll see you next time. Thanks.